Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about all the products in 2018 that appeared on my channel, or things I thought were memorable. And yeah, if I can't remember it, then it's probably not a very good product, so I'm just going to do it off of memory of what I can remember off the things that happened over the course of the year. Of course, the way my memory works, I think a lot of the things are going to be more recent, and I might as well start off with the thing that I'm filming this video on, which is the new Osmo Pocket that I just purchased. And I think you're going to see a lot more of this camera in 2019. Obviously just got it very recently, so it's going to be very useful. I think I'm going to be using it for a lot of different things for making my videos this year, or actually for 2019. I think I guess my next most memorable product's got to be my transmitter that I'm using, the GEPRC Turtle V2, the black one with the Hall sensor gimbals. As you probably guys know, I've been using that as my daily radio pretty much for the last several months, at least 3-4 months now, and probably going to stick with it. I'm considering maybe trying to use the Lite perhaps, but I'm probably going to be sticking with the Jumper. I think that's a pretty good radio for my needs, at least. Obviously that might not be for everyone, it might not be the case for everybody, but at least for me, I found it to be pretty useful and a pretty good product for my needs, and a good radio overall, very reliable. Let's see what else. Yeah, for big drones, for the 5-inch, I think that the Eachine, the new Wizard, the X220 HV, the 6S, after flying that and reviewing that and seeing how well that was put together, how good all the components were, especially the motors, I'd have to say that there's really, until I see something better, not really any reason to buy any other 5-inch besides that, considering the cost. Yeah, I mean, obviously there's things like the Hawk5, also very good if you're more into racing than freestyle. But obviously that one is, I believe, 4S only, not 6S. Let's see, on the micro side, I think the things that were memorable for me are the things that were kind of easy to fly out of the box. In terms of setup, you know, it's like, for me, if you're going to be buying something that's plug and play, bind and fly, something like that, it's already built, it should come tuned out of the box, and if it isn't, then it's not worth getting, because if you're going to have to do a lot of work to something after you buy it, or if there's problems with it, you might as well just build something. And I really want to focus, at least in 2019, on products that are going to be easy to get people in the air without too much time. I think that's the thing. That's the key thing for me, is, you know, lack of time and not having enough time for doing builds. And I enjoy buying or flying models that are already built, that are easy to set up, that are just ready to go, pin tunes on them already, and yeah, you can get up in the air within maybe 10-15 minutes with minimal amount of work. So in that category, I would say the LDARC ET115 version 2, definitely a buy, especially if you're a beginner or someone that's going to be bashing something around in a harsh environment like concrete, asphalt, trees, parking garages, that kind of thing. Yeah, that thing can take a lot of abuse, and it's going to keep on going. Let's see, the GEPRC Phoenix 2.5, that one was also a pretty good model for me. I didn't do any tuning or anything on that one. Mounted the receiver, already came with an XM Plus, I believe, mounted to my radio, and went and flew it, and I haven't touched that tune since day one. I've been flying that pretty often. I obviously haven't seen additional videos on that one since the review came out, but yeah, I've been flying that off and on, and it's a very enjoyable 2.5-inch to fly, so I highly recommend that one. I don't know if the XJB145 came out this year or last year, but that one I think I've taken that one apart and I put it into I think it was the Massive Droner 3-inch, and of course it still flies great. Obviously it's in a different frame now, but that one I know a lot of people enjoy, and it's a really good flyer, so yeah, I would recommend that one. I think it's still being sold. Hornet 120 also from HGLRC, very good 2.5-inch if you're into the lighter, more like racing, and that one is very fast as well. although that did have some camera problems, so I had to swap out the camera. But I believe now the version they're selling now doesn't have the camera that I originally got. I think they're selling the RunCam Swift in that one, so that might be a moot point now. Okay, so in terms of FPV camera, or I'm sorry, FPV antennas, I think the Lollipop 2 is probably going to be my antenna of the year. That one's very good, and I've pretty much been using it consistently on my receivers and also on any drone that I can put it on. In terms of cameras, of course, you know, my favorite is going to be the Caddx Turtle version 2, and yeah, that one I think is that, and of course, you know, the Split Mini version 2 is also pretty good, but you know, that one has a lot of lens issues. But yeah, in terms of the cameras, definitely the Caddx Turtle version 2 definitely is going to be my highlight for 2018. Hopefully, we'll see the Foxeer Mix in early 2019. I heard that's coming out any day now. It's the end of the year, so obviously you can't make my list for 2018, but hopefully for 2019. Okay, it's kind of all over the place here, so what else am I thinking I can remember? The Mobula7, of course, very, very good 2S whoop. The TinyHawk, going to be really good for 1S and more indoor flying. Obviously the TinyHawk, ready to fly if you're starting out and don't have any equipment. That one is highly recommended. Definitely consider getting that one if you don't have anything. The new NewBeeDrone BeeBrain Lite, if you get that with the AcroBee kit and build up their 6mm 1S brush whip, that's a really good flyer for obviously for indoor use and smaller spaces. I think that one you're going to really enjoy. I enjoy flying that inside my house a lot because my house is a lot smaller, so don't usually fly the faster, bigger things inside my house. Let's see what else. So yeah, in terms of planes, I think definitely the XK A800. If you guys missed that video, definitely check out that video. As you guys probably know, my channel started off with airplanes, and then obviously I've focused more on the drones and micro drones more recently. But yeah, ever since I got the XK A800, that glider is amazing. And I've also bound that to my Jumper T12, and I'm actually going to be doing another video later on where I'm probably going to put a turtle on, the Caddx Turtle on that, and get HD video. I think flies forever, like 20 minutes on a 450, and I think that has reignited my love for airplanes. Yeah, so I'm hoping to get some more of those in the future, something like that, because I think that category of planes, or that category of planes is up and coming. I think you see more of those, especially in that price class. A lot of those in that micro class and sort of that 2S smaller size. You can fly, you know, park flyers were pretty expensive, and now that the A800 is out, that's like $50. It's a total deal. Flies fantastic. That's another one I would highly recommend. Anyway, guys, I think that's pretty much it in terms of highlights of what I could remember. I'm sure I probably missed something. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys think that I missed something really obvious. I'm sure there probably is, but those are the ones that I can remember off the top of my head, and I just wanted to make a quick video because I've been really busy lately, and I'm trying to maybe use this sort of format here, this camera, where I can just drive around while I'm driving and make a quick video and get some information out to you guys, and hopefully you'll find that helpful. If you guys like this kind of video, want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. You know, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. I'll be having a lot more videos coming out in 2019, of course. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.